Hi, David Gaines here. You know me on Twitter as Nats and Cats. That's Nats, Washington Nationals, Cats, Northwestern Wildcats. Anyway, I'm here to show you my famous Pouchitude homemade sugar-free alcoholic juice pouch. Better and cheaper than what you get at the ballpark. So all you Nats fans who are missing the baseball experience, I can't bring it all to you, but I can bring you this little method of how to bring a little bit of the ballpark experience home with you. So this is how you make the pouch. I use Ziploc or Target generic brand quart-sized bags with the sliding top, not the tappy top. The sliding top works best. Straw, mine is purple, of course. And I keep it. Don't throw out straws. Bad for the environment. So I just wash this and keep it. So this is your pouch. And in the pouch goes, I use Pinnacle vodka from France. Pinnacle vodka is the official vodka of Pouchitude homemade alcoholic juice pouches for Nationals fans. Much cheaper than Grey Goose, which also comes from France, and you can't taste the difference. I use Fresca as a main mixer. Fresca is a grapefruit soda. It's been around since I was a kid. If you're around my age, you remember Fresca. It's still around, and you can get it at Safeway or Target, maybe other places, but that's where I get it. I prefer soda out of cans. Fresca comes in a can. If you prefer lemon lime for your citrus soda, Sprite Zero. Sprite Zero comes in plastic bottles. I think it also comes in cans, actually. But I prefer Fresca. But if you want to use Sprite Zero, no problem. Gatorade Zero, lemon lime. And I add more sweetener. I use stevia. And the brand I like is Truvia. But pretty much, there are a bunch of brands. Stevia is now, when I started using stevia, it was very hard to find. Now you get stevia, Safeway, any chain grocery store, and the brand I use is Truvia, but there's a bunch of others. So anyway, I'll put a packet of stevia into this mix. And I'll also add a few lime slices. You could add lemon and lime slices if you like, or none at all. Again, customized, totally up to you. So this is what I do. I pour 1.5 ounces of vodka. If you want to use an ounce, or if you're lightweight, you want to use 1/2 ounce. At that point, just make it non-alcoholic. I don't know, but I use 1.5 ounces per pouch. You should use a jigger, but I don't have one, so I use this mixer's bartender glass, and I'll pour out 1.5 ounces. I will do. You notice I'm not adding ice because we'll put this in the refrigerator and it'll get plenty cold. Plus, there's already so many mixers in here, you don't want to dilute it. Okay, that's the vodka. Put in the whole can of Fresca, and then we're going to fill to about halfway up the bag with the Gatorade. Then we'll add the packet, and then we'll have our pouch. Let's get the straw out of there. That was a bad idea. Limes. I like limes. I like vodka and tonic, and limes go with that, not really lemons. So I don't usually have lemons, but like I said, you want to add a few slices of lemons with your limes. Finally, a little stevia because I like it sweet. But I hate sugar. Also, I'm diabetic. That's why I do this. When you close the bag, fold it over a little bit at the top as you're sealing it to get the air out. And a little bit spilled, but that's okay. Just shake it up a little bit. And then you can stir it with the straw once you put that in. So we've got all the ingredients in. It's time to enjoy. There you go. Tastes great as always. Happy pouching. Go Nationals.